Okay, I'm super excited to make this video because we are like this close to 100 subs, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot to some people, but I've been connecting with people on YouTube that are just amazing, and I'm so excited, and I just really want to join in on the fun of, hey, this is what we do, and just sharing the joy. So here is the giveaway and the challenge today. I want to challenge you to comment on this video and tell me why you started subscribing. Was it for gardening? Was it for online teaching? Was it for the pool? Was it a cooking video that we did? I'm just trying to figure out which direction to go. I'm not going to just focus on one thing, but I just want to know, like, why are you here? There are 100 of you here. So it's just super exciting, and the giveaway will be seeds. So that's what I have to give away. So heirloom seeds of many sorts, and I will send you a little care package for your spring garden. So this is just something fun. I love giveaways. I love collaborating with people. I'm just excited to see all the different people that I've been connecting with that are gardening, or they want to garden, or they are homesteading. Amazing. Keeping all these animals. And so we will do the giveaway with a random name drawing, and when we do the giveaway, we will talk a little bit more about us and, you know, what our goals are and what we can do, and see what you guys want us to do. So that'll be like a big reveal. I'll get my husband on the camera, my kids, and we will give away some stuff. So comment, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, of course, and I also challenge you to share one of my videos with someone you think that might enjoy it. Number one, maybe you'll send something to someone you need to send something to. Share a little love. Number two, they might subscribe to my channel, and that would be awesome. And yeah, just the connections are just awesome in this community. And I thank you all for your interactions and for subscribing and just for being awesome and being out there and trying to do your best in this life. So I'm grateful for you, and I hope to hear from you down below. Have an awesome day. Bye.
Alright, so these are the seeds that are in the giveaway. If they say BC after it, it's because they are from Baker Creek. So most of them are. That means they're heirloom. That means you can save the seeds from these and you can share with others. Baker Creek seeds have been good to me, and I'm only including seeds of things that I have grown successfully. So here we go. We have, those are the, you're not going to get that many, but that is my bag of marigold seeds and cilantro. Kale. Oh, you can't go wrong with kale. There's my cilantro that I saved the seeds from. Purple carrot seeds that I saved and grew wonderfully this year. Turnips, collard greens, because if you haven't made collard greens, you are missing out. They are so good, and I never knew because I did not grow up in the South. These are the zinnias. So that is everything. You'll get a few of each of those seeds in little packages just ready for you to grow. Now the cool thing is, if you want, many of these things can be grown in the winter time. The kale, the collards, they love it. They love the cold. Even carrots and turnips. And then you want to save your flowers for the spring, but those are just wonderful flowers for the garden. And you can grow cilantro inside right now as well. So, yay, so exciting! Okay, here they are. All in their little packages, ready to go. And if you don't know, these are zinnias and marigolds. They're actually flipped in the package, but I drew a little picture. And that's the seed head, so you can actually get 30 or more seeds out of each seed head. So this is actually a lot of flowers.